1918, the British military General Allenby ordered Sir William Maclean to put together an urban master plan for Jerusalem. One of the bylaws states that all buildings within the walls of the old city should be built out of stone. Officially, the 1918 bylaw was set to create a unified built environment in Jerusalem. However, it has resulted in defining imaginary boundaries to the city. Everything that was not built out of stone was considered out of Jerusalem. De facto, the use of the material became a political tool for reclaiming and annexing territories. The material progressively stopped being used as a structural massive material, but was instead seen as a covering concrete structures. Worldwide domination of concrete and steel structures associated with a requirement of stone covering has reduced the possibilities of construction methods and techniques. With hindsight, it is puzzling that a city built out of a noble material such as stone suddenly becomes sadly monotonous. The recent interest in stone construction globally is linked to the sustainable nature of the material. Sustainability policies have been built around prevailing construction materials such as concrete and steel. The use of these materials has been progressively associated with a form of consumerism and short-term profit-based economies that were dominant in the second half of the 20th century. As a result, buildings are not meant to last beyond a couple of decades. Stone Matters, a project by AAU ANASTAS, is an experimentations-based research into the potentials of including structural stone in the language of contemporary architecture and for combining traditional craftsmanship and materials with innovation construction techniques. It positions itself in a much more expansive history. At Marmac, we present a model for a building entirely made out of structural stone that uses hybrid structural behaviors to further expand architectural possibilities. The structure is made out of slabs and columns. It is a ribbed structure that gains stiffness by exploiting the geometrical feature of its form. Its structural system is a combination that aspires to bring together Gothic systems, stereotomy, and modern ribbed structures. Stone structures call for a renewed relationship to construction labor, one that would reconcile our ability to understand our history and be able to foresee our heritage, one where sustainability is not exclusively measured with alienated criteria, one that is able to resist supremacist systems of domination and aspire to build political aspirations through architecture.